This is Dad. um, just want to go over some basics when it comes to looking at stocks, looking at charts. This is Amazon, obviously. This means one day. It's on the NASDAQ exchange. And each one of these candles, red or green, represents one single day of trading. So obviously Monday through Friday, holidays excluded. And this represents basically human psychology, human interactions. It's a constant battle between buyers and sellers. Green, up, people are buying more. Red, down, people are selling more. So it's a constant battle between that. So you're basically watching a pattern of just humans interacting with each other on an exchange. So what I like to do is just look at these here. These are called moving averages, and they're more long-term, and this is a daily chart. So let me start here. I'll go to monthly, and then we'll really look at stuff. Everybody looks at short-term. I like to look at long-term things because I want to buy into something that is low in value and let it ride in a trend up. So buying in 2001, Amazon, you're obviously killing it, buying into that trend. That's what I'm talking about. So these moving averages help show me kind of where. You'll notice, let me go back to the daily. It'll show you a little bit better. You'll notice that these red and green lines, just the buying and selling for that particular day, kind of ebb and flow. And what these lines represent is the past 200 days and the past 50 days of trading action. So it basically smooths out this jagged line from all the buyers and sellers interacting in the market. So these can be good indicators when an uptrend is started. The blue line usually crosses the yellow line, and then you start a new uptrend. When you have a turn like this and the blue line crosses back over the yellow line and they both start declining, you usually have a longer term downtrend. So those are some of the things. I also look at volume, which is represented by bars on the bottom. So you can see how much activity is happening with this. So you can see as through time, there's a lot of people are buying this massively back in here. And then as it keeps going up, the volume's kind of going down. So another thing I look at is called momentum. And this is a little bit higher level, but I just want to show you. You don't have to understand this right now. I'm just kind of giving you an introductory to this. So let's see this. So I look at momentum, and obviously it switches. It's basically showing how strong the movements are, whether up or down. And that's just another indicator where when it's rocking it up past here, that's usually a sign we're going in. If it rockets past this, then we're usually going to hit a little bit lower. Just little things here and there. I mean, simple, don't overcomplicate. But that's pretty much the basics of just understanding a chart and some of the stuff that I use just as looking at charts. And you can go through the daily, so you can go very fine. Like Brody does this. He does the short term when his little his paper money account. He does very short term trading. I can even go down and look at hours. I can look at minutes, all that stuff, and get different time frames to see. But all the patterns pretty much repeat. So you will see repeating patterns in this as people interact together, buying and selling. They will literally create patterns that are similar across all different assets because it's just people and human behavior interacting and showing exuberance when things are going up and they buy. They're showing despair when things are going down and they're sell. And it happens on all time frames. It's just the way it works. Minute, we can go up to a 1 hour. We can go up to 12 months, which not the best chart because this was it's not a company. There's a few companies I own that are from the 1970s, so it'd be a little bit represented. But each one of these things is 12 months. So that's just some basics. I'll be adding more. Just wanted to kind of get you an entry-level kind of thing of what actually things are when you're looking at charts. I love you, boys.